Osteoporosis, often called a disease, is really a disorder or condition in which bones become brittle due to a loss of calcium and other minerals. Osteopenia is an early stage of osteoporosis. Progressive bone loss will lead to bone or skeletal deformities, decreased height, and fragile bones, which occur most often in older people. This leads to being highly susceptible to hip and spine fractures when falling. Postmenopausal women are most at risk for bone loss due to a decrease in hormones. However, there are many other factors that contribute to bone loss in any age, including use of steroids, aspirin and other medications, exposure to heavy metals and chemicals, as well as deficiencies of vitamin D and K. Coffee, caffeine, and sugar also deplete the body of minerals and calcium. What is really happening with osteoporosis? In short, the body is reprioritizing assets. The body, with its incredible wisdom, is determining what is most important and is willing to sacrifice the bones in the legs and other bones to keep the liver, heart, lungs, brain, and kidneys healthy. The liver and other organs take the minerals from the bones to counter the negative effects of our fast food diet, chemicals, drugs, heavy metals, and other poor health choices. Getting tested properly will help determine the true causes of bone loss, the status of nutrients including calcium, vitamin D and K, along with liver, kidney, and thyroid function. Testing for exposure to heavy metals and chemicals are also important in finding out the cause of the osteoporosis. There are drugs that are used to slow osteoporosis, but they all can have some rather nasty side effects. There is a safe, natural way to slow or actually reverse bone loss. Contact your science-based nutrition provider to get tested and find out how to get healthier and restore your bone strength safely and naturally. Start by completing our patient symptom survey, which aids in determining what comprehensive tests to order, informs us of any medications you are taking, and indicates the symptoms you are experiencing. Once your test results are in, we compile all of the data in a comprehensive, color-coded report that is easy to read and understand. Using your unique test data, the science-based nutrition report will reveal your underlying health deficiencies and indicate the nutrients and diet that will likely help you progress toward a healthier you. Contact us today to learn more about the science-based nutrition program.